Hey YouTube, this is Southern Purple One. I got information to give you. If you are a government DOD employee, alright, not a contractor that works for DOD, but a DOD employee, and I'll give you some more information. If you're a GS employee, if you would like to use the religious objections, very simple. I was going to memorize this. Not even going to waste my time memorizing it. I'm going to read it to you right from the horse's mouth. I would like you to pray for a lady named Sarah. Pray that she will have strength. She is helping a lot of people get the word out how to do religious objections to the jab. So please pray for this lady. She is an angel. She's a saint. I appreciate what she's doing more than I can tell her. So let me tell you how to get out of the jab, or try to get out of the jab. It's very simple. I will read it to you. Just got word back for the DOD employees, not contractors, still working on that the process is extremely simple. The employee writes an extremely brief letter stating something to the effect, I have a deeply held religious belief that prevent me from receiving the XYZ vaccine. Sign and date as you would for any formal letter, and turn it into occupational health. They cannot legally ask the employee any questions, though they may try. Stand firm and don't answer. Be it known that the agents working on behalf of the state, school, or government agencies alike in vaccinated matters are prohibited from requesting any administrative proof that explains the recipient's religious beliefs or proves membership in an acceptable or specific religion. Agents may not discriminate between religious denominations and may not make judgments regarding religious convictions, as agents have no jurisdiction to do so. All right, let me address the GS employees. That was for employees of Department of Defense. Just got confirmation that the process is also the exact same for all GS employees. So anyone working for the federal government in a GS position can submit a letter to their supervisor and or occupational health, simply stating they have a deeply held religious beliefs that prevent them from getting the shot. So I would do supervisor, I would do occupational health, I would make it to the point, I would not go elaborately into it, I would not answer their questions, and I would submit it as soon as possible. I hope this helps. If you got any specific questions, I will try to answer them or put you in touch with the person that can. Thanks for watching.